Peter Bowman, Collinsvale. This was useless out over here. I didn't think you could do anything about it. These guys come in and have fixed it. Enabled us to fence Louisa Creek all along the riverbank. Makes it a whole lot easier moving cattle around now. You can spell graze, so to speak, you know, like give them so long in each paddock and out. Management's so much easier, you know, it's just all round better. Ground cover is good, just by having grass, you know, it's as simple as that. You've got a mat, you know, and if you keep it there, it'll strain, you know, like it's a big strainer. It keeps all your soil where it's supposed to be, and the water where it's supposed to be. So all the water will slip down through the grass into the river and it's gone without a big armful of dirt every time, you know. It's easier to manage.